Divided into a three part. First one is a decision making statement, second one is a loop statement, third one is a jump statement. I will explain one by one as follow. First one, decision making statement. Decision making statement means you can use a decision, multiple decision. You can take a multiple decision in a one statement. This called a decision making statement. Decision making statement it as this follow three statement. First, if else statement. Second one is a if else ladder statement. Third one is a nested if else statement. If else statement first. If else statement. If else statement you can use two condition. One is a true, second is a false. Like that, A greater than B means A is a bigger than A is a bigger than C. This is a condition true. And B is a bigger than A. This is a condition second. You can use if and else statement. You can use if first part you can execute. Condition is true, and condition not as true. Then will be second part execute. This is called a if else statement. Second statement is a if else ladder statement. This statement you can use with multiple condition. Means more than two condition. More than two condition you can use if else ladder statement. This syntax is if first condition, else if second condition, else if n number of condition, else if you can enter. Even your last condition you can write down else. This called is a if else ladder statement. Third one is a nested if else nested if else statement. Nested if else condition statement means condition inner condition. Condition inner condition. One condition is true, then apply a second condition. Second condition true, then apply a third condition. This called a nested if else statement. Second one is a loop statement. There are four types of loop, as well as do while loop and while loop, as well as same work. For loop and each loop as well as same work. First I will explain do while loop. Do while loop is a exit control loop statement. You can check, you can entry first and check condition next level. This called as do while loop statement. Do expression while condition and executor part. This is a exit control loop. Second condition is a while loop. While loop used for you can check first condition and go to the enter middle statement. This called a while loop statement, and this is a for loop. Third one, for loop syntax is a initialization, condition, increment and decrement. Increment means a plus plus, decrement means a minus minus, as well as same for each. This syntax means for each loop syntax. And third one, jumper statement. Jumper statement is a very useful. Jumper statement used to your compiler reading less time. Compiler add compared to loop statement and decision making statement reading level reading a line timeless loop. This called a jump statement. Jump statement have two statement, break statement and conditional statement. You can complete you can enter your loop. You can write them break. This statement is a break. Break means a stop your condition. A second you can stop, and you can now to start your condition. You can write keyword continue. Basically break keyword to used to do break condition. They can execute the last part, and continue statement you can use to do stop statement to start a continue. They can use a continue statement. Thank you.